Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. Alhamdulillah, we're doing our class 6 from Medina Book 2. So inshallah, in today's class we will be learning about comparative and superlative degree or adjectives, which is called as ismu tafdeel in Arabic. So before we enter into our ismu tafdeel, what we're going to do is we're just going to revise from our previous class, that is fi'al mudari'. So we're just going to do a couple of verbs from group A'i, which is bab daraba. Daraba yadribu, where the ayn kalima will have fatha in madi and ayn kalima will have a kasra in mudari'. So we'll do the verb daraba. Daraba yadribu. Huwa yadribu, huma yadribani, hum yadribuna, hiya tadribu, hiya huma tadribani, hunna yadribna, anta tadribu, antuma tadribani, antunna, hum tadribuna, anti tadribina, antuma tadribani, antunna tadribna, ana adribu, nahnu nadribu. So daraba means he hit, yadribu means he hits, he's hitting. So we'll do one more word, jalasa. Jalasa means he sat, so it will be bab daraba, so it will be daraba yadribu, jalasa yajlisu. So if you do 5 in your pocket, so it will be yajlisu, tajlisu, tajlisu, ajlisu, najlisu. So we'll do full conjugation now. Yajlisu, yajlisani, yajlisuna, hum yajlisuna, hiya tajlisu, huma tajlisani, hunna yajlisna, So it's ayn lam kalima will get a sukoon. Anta tajlisu, antuma tajlisani, antum tajlisuna, anti tajlisina, antuma tajlisani, antunna tajlisna, ana ajlisu, nahnu najlisu. So we got two groups here. Here the file is mustatir, or what we call as 5 in your pocket, and we got here noon aata hai, noon jata hai group, which is afwalul khamsa. It's called afwalul khamsa, 5 special verbs, and we got mabni. Okay, mabni group, where the file is attached and they don't change anything, it comes in front of them. So coming to comparative and superlative degree, it's called ismu tafdeel. So comparative adjectives are used when we compare between two things, and superlatives are used when we compare more than two things. This is a simple rule how we use comparative and superlatives. So for example, so we got this transition in English where we have old, older, oldest, young, younger, youngest, pretty, prettier, prettiest, good, better, best. So these are different ways how you use to compare, and you have a superlative degrees. So in comparative, the word than appears in sentences. For example, if you say Ahmad is smarter than Bilal, Hamid is stronger than Ali, she is taller than her. So wherever we're comparing between two, we use the word than in English. Okay, and in superlatives we use the word the to specify. For example, if you say Hamid is the oldest, he is a superlative, and there will be a definite article the, so that gives like a superlative adjective. Hamid is the oldest man, Akbar is the tallest man, that shade of blue is the most beautiful. So we use a superlative along with a definite article. So how do we make comparative and superlative in Arabic? So which is ismu tafdeel. So ismu tafdeel comes on a pattern in Arabic. It's very, very simple, it's very easy. There's only one pattern, and that pattern is called af'alu. That's the pattern for comparative and superlative degree. So any noun, for example, if you say Jamilun, so if you make it in this pattern of alu, it will be Ajmalu, Ajmalu. So if you say Hasanun, it will be Ahsanu. So that's the pattern where we use for comparative and superlative degrees. For any noun, it will have this pattern. So now, how do we know in a sentence which is talking about comparing or it is talking about superlative? So if we have this pattern afalu followed by, immediately it is followed by an ism majroor, okay, like a pattern of mudaf mudaf ilayhi. So we have afalu followed by ism majroor, that is a noun that has kasra, and that is a superlative. Okay, for example, if we say Ibrahimu ahsanu talibin, Ibrahimu ahsanu talibin. Say ahsanu is the pattern afalu, is the best student fil madrasah, in the school. So when we translate afalu pattern noun and immediately there is a ism majroor, then we say use a superlative, that is the best student. Ibrahim is the best student. So if the same afalu noun which is followed by min, then that is a comparative degree. Here min, it does not have the same meaning as from. So normally we know it's in harf jar, which means from, but here in this ismu tafdeel pattern where we compare, it has a meaning of than, like how we said Hamid is taller than Bilal. So min replaces than in Arabic. For example, if you say Bilalun atwalu, Bilal is taller min Aminata. Say min Aminata. So after min there always is some majroor. There's no change in that relationship. But however, when there is a ismu tafdeel followed by min, then it becomes a comparative sentence. So Bilal is taller than Amina. So that's the two ways how we identify whether it is superlative or comparative. So this noun af'alu, it has got certain characteristics. So what are the characteristics? So if you look here, it has got single dhamma, and we know any noun with a single dhamma and the pattern of af'alu, like we've done before, ahmaru, asgharu. So this is all pattern is a diptote, is a mamnu' minas sarf. So that means it doesn't take kasra. Okay, so this ismu tafdeel doesn't take kasra. And second characteristic of ismu tafdeel is one form, whether the noun which it is describing, it is singular or plural, we will use just af'alu. If we say, and the third is it is unisex, which means it is used for both male and female nouns. It is used the same pattern af'alu. You don't have a male version and you don't have a female version, so it's just af'alu. So these are the main characteristics of ismu tafdeel. It's diptote, it's used for both singular and plural nouns, and it's used for both male and female nouns. For example, Bilalu atwalu min Amina. So Bilal, we're talking about a masculine noun, and that's like an adjective, it's taller than Amina. So if you want to switch it around, we should say Aminatu atwalu min Bilal. So here we're using a muannath noun, but we still use the pattern af'alu. We don't have af'alatu, so it is just one pattern af'alu. Aminatu af'alu min atwalu min Bilalin. So just to catch up, is af'alu followed by ism majroor is superlative, and af'alu followed by min will be comparative. So we're going to do some examples, like tawilun, it will be atwalu, kabirun will be akbaru, nadifun, which is mean clean, be anzafu, the cleanest, sahlun, easy, ashalu, the easiest, saghirun, small, asgharu is the smallest. So we're going to do some sentences just to give us some practice. So if you see here, it says Hadal kitabu. Hada mubtada followed by al is badal. So we say this book. هذا الكتاب أسهل. أسهل is your خبر, and then you have jar majrur. So then we have ism tafdil. أسهل من. So أسهل is followed by min, that means comparative. So this book is easier than ذاك. ذاك means that is short form of ذلك, where lam is miss. So it's also called ذاك. هذا الكتاب أسهل من ذاك. So هذه السيارة. See, now we have feminine. So هذه اسم إشارة مبتدا followed by al, which is badal. So this car. هذه السيارة أجمل. See, أجمل, because it is khabar, one word, and then we ism tafdil followed by min. So it is beautiful than tilka, than that. This car is beautiful than that. So Hamzatu akbaru minni. So here we're comparing Hamza to myself. Here in this sentence it says Hamza is bigger than me. So now we've got another noun here. You see sinnan. So we got a mansoob noun, indefinite, singular. So what is this? So we've used this type of noun after come, like come taliban fil fasli. So what it's called? It was called as tam'iz. Tam'iz is a noun which clears the ambiguity. So if you're telling here Hamzatu is bigger than me, in what way? So here we'll say we'll bring a tam'iz to clarify the sentence. So that is called tam'iz. So you can say Hamzatu akbaru minni malan, is bigger than me in money. So that's called a tam'iz. So next sentence, هؤلاء الطلاب. See, هؤلاء اسم إشارة followed by al is badal. It's mubtada. أحسن. So here it's got plural, but here we still be using the أحسن. We don't have any plural form of أفعل. So it's أحسن من أولئك. These students are better than those. بيتي is مضاف مضاف إليه. بيتو plus يا متكلم. Okay, مضاف مضاف إليه. My house is أبعد. أبعد comes from بعيد, that means far. So we have learned before that بعيد always comes with an, and قريب always comes with min. So we got أبعد again, it will have the same preposition which is coming an. So here the sentence is بيتي, my house, أبعد عن المدرسة, is far from the school than بيتك, than your house. So بيتي أبعد عن المدرسة من بيتك. So mean بيتك. So we know it is اسم مجرور, so it will be بيتي and it will be ka مضاف إليه. مضاف مضاف إليه. So again here هو أصغر منا, he is smaller than us. So how is he smaller than us? In sinnan. So this is a tam'iz to clarify the ambiguity. Khatti. Khatti is again the combination of mudaf mudaf ilayh. Khattun means handwriting. Khattu plus ya mutakallim mudaf mudaf ilayh. Khatti is my writing. Ahsanu min khattika. See, my handwriting is better than your handwriting. Hada shari'u. See, هذا مبتدا الشارع means street, badal this street, anzafu. This comes from nadifun. Anzafu is cleaner. So do we use cleanest or cleaner? We use cleaner because it's followed by min. So it is the comparative. Anzafu min dhalika is cleaner than that. So here we will use the superlative form. Here say Muhammadun talibun hasanun. So that's the sentence. A normal jumlatul ismiya, Muhammad al-Mubtada, Talibun, one word, Khabar, Hasanun is Na'at. So how do we make it like a Ismu Tafdil? So always in Ismu Tafdil, the Na'at becomes the Ismu Tafdil. So that will come first and then followed by a Ism Majroor. So it will be Muhammadun Ahsanu Talibin. See, the best student fil fasli, in class. Hada Baytun Jamilun. Again, simple jumlatul ismiya. So how do we make it into Ism Tafdil? Hada ajmalu baytin, the most beautiful house, fi shari, in the street. Aminatu talibatun saghiratun. So Aminatu. So saghiratun. So we'll have a same pattern as asgharu. Whether it is masculine or feminine, it's the same form af'alu. So we use asgharu talibatin fil madrasati. So if you see this, follow these examples here. هذه غرفة صغيرة. So how do we make it? هذه. So صغيرة is the not, so we have to make it ism tafdil. So that will come first. هذه أصغر. أصغر غرفة followed by ism majroor. Okay. So here it is هذه غرفة because it is khabar, it is marfu. We know this, and this is صغيرة because it is not. So here it is هذه أصغر غرفة في بيتنا. It is the smallest room in our house. بلال لاعب. لاعب means player. حسن is the best. Okay, it's a good player. So if you want to make it like a ism tafdil, it will be بلال أحسن لاعب. أحسن لاعب في فريقنا. فريق means team. فريق means team. Na is مضاف إليه. Is فريق plus na, but because it is harf jar before, so في فريقنا. So Bilal is the best player in our team. Yasirun rajulun faqirun. Yasir is a poor man. So how do we make ism tafdil? Yasirun afqaru. Faqirun will be afqaru rajulin fi qaryatina. Again fi qaryatina is mudaf ilayhi. So Yasir is the poorest man in qarya means village, our village. هذه ساعة رخيصة. So this watch is cheap. So how do you make اسم تفضيل? هذه أرخص ساعة في السوق, in the shopping complex. So this is how we use superlative and comparative. So inshallah we will continue with this lesson in our next class. So write and practice, and inshallah we'll be stronger. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi